And an R64 is really what you want. You end up with 12 inches deep of insulation. That keeps the air conditioning in and the heat out, or the heat in and the cold air out. That makes your house more efficient. And I know that the customer didn't pay me to do the whole area, but I bought extra, and always do more than what I say I do. And my goal, and I tell my guys, is to make other people's lives better. So you wouldn't be throwing a fit if you smash your finger and cussing and swearing because things didn't go your way, because that's violence in their life. And what we're trying to do is make their life better. Well, they paid me to fix this house so that it would be better and be able to be sold, so they can move on to their dreams, and somebody else can move into a dream home of their own. So what I'm doing is something that may never be seen, but I go home at night knowing I did a good job. I hope that everybody lives their life that way. I'm sure that it's a challenge at times, but it's worth it. That way you can have righteous indignation if somebody accuses you of wrongdoing. If you don't do wrong, you don't have to have a conscience that's bothered all the time. Do a good